Tech, and in this video we're going to be looking at getting rid of stuff. So many people have contacted me over the last few weeks and probably actually the last few years, and one thing that always comes up is if an add-on, for instance, stops working, how do I get rid of the add-on and how do I get rid of the source, trying to keep my system as streamlined as possible, because it can clutter up very easily. So I thought I'd just do a quick video which is going to show you how to remove a video add-on, how you can remove a repository, and also how you can remove the source itself. Okay, so first of all we're going to start with video add-ons. So if we go to our home screen, and then all we need to do is go into any one of these add-ons. Now depending on what device you're using, you may be using a controller which will have the 3-line button on it, or you might be using a keyboard, or you might be using a wireless keyboard. But I'm on a Mac at the moment, so I'm going to be pressing C, and the one that I want to get rid of, let's have a look. I've put a couple on here just to get rid of, and here we go, one channel fix. Okay, so I press C on that, and that brings up what's called the context menu, and in here you've got information, settings, and upload to Kodi log via Aris project. So we're going to go into information, and then right on the right hand side there, you can disable this, and so therefore it won't show, but you can go uninstall, and you can say yes to uninstall. Okay, and there you go, it's gone, it won't come back again, it won't be included in any updates or anything else like that. So the next thing we're going to do is look at the repository itself. So what we did there, folks, so this is the home screen. Okay, so again we go into add-ons on the left hand side, and then we go up to the open box symbol and we click on that. We click on that, and then we go to install from repository. Now I know we're not going to be installing something, but this gives you your list of repositories that you've got installed. Okay, now let's have a look. Which one shall I get rid of? It doesn't really matter because it's the same process for everyone. So let's get rid of simply CAS repo. Okay, so again, if you had a controller, you might want to press the 3 lines button. Certainly on an Amazon Fire Stick, that's what you'd press. If you've got a keyboard, you'd press C, and again it brings up this context menu, and here you can go into information, and again it brings up the same type of screen that the add-on brought up, and then you can click on uninstall. Okay, so that's that gone. Okay, so we've now done the video add-on gone, and we've done the repository. Now if you wanted to remove the actual source itself, then again we go back to the home screen. Okay, and this time we're going to go up to the settings cog up here, and we're going to go down into file manager, and this is the CAS repo that was there, and again exactly the same as what we did on the others. You press C on it if you're using a keyboard, or the lines, you're bringing up the context menu. You can edit source, make default, remove source, or choose thumbnail. We're going to be removing the source. We click on that, and we click there, and it's gone. So guys, you can repeat that with obviously every add-on that you don't want. You can do that in video add-ons, music add-ons, program add-ons. So anything that you don't want on there, just be careful, because things like F4M proxy and F4M tester, they're things that you might not realize that you do need, but you actually do need them. So just, it's mainly add-ons that don't work I recommend that you're doing this with. And also I recommend exactly the same in repositories. If it's a repository that stopped working, or you go and check that repository, and you look in there, for instance, and you say there's absolutely nothing in that repository that I use, then it's not really worth having it on there. Okay, so you may as well take it off. And what this will do is just slim your Kodi setup down and make it run a little bit quicker. So there you go, guys. That's the 3 things deleted. Hope you found that video useful. If there's any questions, or you've got any questions and simple tips that you want to know, leave it in the comments box below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching again, guys. Have a great week.